What it do, Glam Crew? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm going on a date. Man, this is horrible. Yes, y'all heard it right. Me, Jasmine, is going on a date. So for my makeup, I don't know why, but I want to play with the blues today. I know blue is not a very wearable color, but we're gonna make it work like we always do. Boom.
Eyebrows crafted by the eyebrow gods themselves.
I'll be using the Jawbreaker palette today. I know it's backwards, hold on. Boom. So yeah, we're gonna start with Brain Freeze right here. Whew. Okay, Brain Freeze. Hello. Holy blue. It's a cute blue though. All right, so that's Brain Freeze. It's cute, but it looks a little crazy right now. I'm gonna add some Delicious to the outer corners and really smoke it out. So let me tell you about my date real quick. We just met not too long ago. My cousin introduced me to him. So cute. He was like the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. He says that we can go like for a walk in the park or, you know, something romantic. So cute. Okay, so we really want to smoke out Delicious. So we're gonna keep on blending. Yes, ma'am. Now, going into the James Charles palette, I remember there being this color right here. I've used it before and it was so pretty on top of a light blue, like this one.
Yes, that just brought life to this look. Yes, yes, yes.
I need to hurry up because my date should be here any minute. So I'm gonna go put on some eyeliner, eyelashes, mascara, all that shazam, and I'll be back for the highlight. Boom! Eyes back. Ooh, I can fly away with these bad boys. Okay, so we're gonna do some highlighter. I wonder if it's gonna take me for dinner. I'm hungry. Sorry, this gets me excited. Oh yes, baby. Oh yeah. You see that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna do some gloss and that should complete this look. It's simple. So this is the last step. Oh. Ah! He's here! Oh my god. I'm coming! Okay. This should be good, right? Yes, yes, yes. Hold on. Let me do a little moment. Alright. You guys are gonna come with me on this date, by the way. So, let's go open the door. Ah! Hi. What? Hello, little guy. Oh my goodness, hello. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi everybody, meet my date. His name is Ace. He's like 6 weeks old, which makes me a pedophile. Where are you gonna take me? You take me for a walk? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, he's so cold. Oh my goodness. And look, we're matching. Alright guys, so here's my very first attempt of a montage. Here we go. Woo! Boop. Whatever you do, please don't poop right now. Okay, I think he's a little pooped. Oh my goodness. So I guess it's time to wrap this date up. I had a good time. Let's see what he thinks when he wakes up. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make with Ace. Thank you for being on the show. Oh, he's shivering. Oh, again? Are you tired? You had a long day? Here guys, this is our first kiss. Are you ready? Nothing new. They never want to kiss. Men are such dogs, huh? Why are men such dogs, huh? Did you enjoy our date? Yes? Shiver for yes. What? It was horrible? Oh. Are you listening to this? Anyways, how about you tell him to subscribe to my channel? You don't want to tell him? Since he's not in the best mood right now, I guess the date went horribly. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a like, comment, everything. I had a lot of fun making this. He's the cutest little puppy ever. Oh my goodness. He's so little. Alright. Bye! Say bye. He's like, help me.